Hello everyone. So let's today talk about the text function. In previous videos we have seen date and time, basic set of functions. With the help of date and time, how to we can create with a calendar. Now today we are going to talk about text function. Text functions are very crucial functions because many times when let's suppose we have shared a Google form and we ask a student to fill the detail. Now the detail which they fill up, that is not a usable one. If we have to analyze the data from that, we cannot, because someone has written the name in small, someone has written the name in caps, someone has written the name in toggle case kind of. So I have to assure that whatever data we are having over there, that should be in a clean way. So to clean the data, we have to go for text function. So around 10 to 11 functions we are going to talk about. Let's first write some name which are like student used to fill. They have taken Suman Singh Bhargava, Siddhant Kumar Sharma, Vijeta Siddharth. Like this, they have written the name. Now, what next I want to know? First of all, might be some extra spaces they have given in between. So first, I want to check that what's the length of the name. So I'll just type length of name and let's check what's the length of the name. Means how many characters are there in the name. It's going to include the space also. So I'll say is equal to len and this text. So that's my function is equal to len and text, and that's going to give me the length of it. So if I really I'm going to check how many characters are there. Suman is having 5, Singh is having 5, 10, and Bhargava is having 8, 18. Two spaces, that means 20. So we must have here the length of name as 20, but it's saying 24. So I'm going to drag. So here it's 22 and here it's 19. So they are having certain extra spaces. That's why the name length is actually going extra. So let's type the name without extra space. So if I have to remove any extra space from here, I can just give a function is equal to trim. Very useful function because trim removes any kind of extra spaces in between. Either it is at the start, at the end, mid, anywhere. Only in the mid it's going to keep one space, rest all will be removed. So I'm going to give trim and this text. Let's close the bracket. So we got Suman Singh Bhargava and all the names. Now let's again check the length of the name. So is equal to len and this text. Now I can see it's 24 and here we have 20. Here it's 22, here we have 21, 19, 17. So that's what the extra spaces which were there has been removed. Now it's showing error. It's showing error because here we have a function name as length. Here we have a function name as length. It says in between we are not having a function which is name as length. So I need to just rectify this. I'll just click on this dot button and click ignore error. Now the name, this doesn't look in a proper way. So first either we have to make it proper or uppercase or lowercase. So all the three we are going to talk about. First, proper case, then uppercase, then all lowercase. So these kind of cases we have to, these kind of name cases we have to get. So is equal to proper. Since I'm going to use the first one A2, so with proper I'm also going to use trim. And let's select this. So is equal to proper, in bracket I have used trim of A2. It's going to remove any extra spaces and will do the proper case of all the words. So I got Suman Singh Bhargava. I got Siddhant Kumar Sharma and Vijeta Siddharth. Now let's do the same thing with uppercase. So is equal to upper trim, and I'll select the first one. Now it's going to give me all the upper cases by removing any extra space. Now if I have to give the lower case is equal to lower, this time I'm going to use this proper case or uppercase any of the output. So I'm going to use this one because we can use any of. If we are using the starting one, we have to use trim. If we are not using it, we don't have to use trim because name without extra space, we already remove any extra space with trim. With proper case also there's some extra space has been removed in uppercase also. So here we have all the names in lowercase. So this is how we can work on this proper case, uppercase and lowercase scenarios. We can take out the length of the function, how much characters are there in the output. We can remove any extra space with the help of trim function. Now I'm going to copy these proper case names over here. And let's work on some more function. Left, right, mid, find or search, or substitute. So these 5 functions we have to again work on. So as the name says left, what left does, it give me the output from the left hand side whatever characters we want. If we are not going to define any character, it's going to give the first character is equal to left. So my syntax is equal to left, text, and the number of characters. Number of characters are in square brackets, so they are not mandatory. So it's not required that you should give this also. So I'll select this one and close the bracket. So I got the first character from the right hand side. Now if certain characters I want to, then I add comma, 5 characters, because Suman is having 5 characters in his name, in her name, and let's drag. So we got 5 characters from there. The syntax is equal to left, we have to give text, comma, number of characters. That's what is required. Now the same function is with right. In place of left, we are going to use right. Rest everything is same. So is equal to right. I'll select this name. So I'll get the function from right hand side, the one character, all are having a at the end. But specifically if I want to get comma 8, I'm going to get 8 characters from right hand side. So Bhargava, R space Sharma, and DDHA, 8 characters from the right hand side. So this is how we can get certain characters. If I talk about mid name or mid characters, so I have to give is equal to mid. Text is this one. I need to get from the 7th character onwards. So start number is 7th. From 7th character I want to start because Suman is 5, space is 6, and 7th is the Singh is. So that's what I need to start with. How many number of characters? 5. Because Singh is having 5 characters. So you got Singh. So whatever comes in between, we are getting accordingly. So that's what the mid function do. So is equal to mid text, comma start number, comma number of chars. Now here chars are mandatory. You have to provide chars also. Now find and search the main function over here, because with the help of this function only, we can do a lot of things. So I'll use is equal to find text. What I need to find? I want to check where A has been written. So it's a string, that's why I have given in double quotes, comma within text, I want to check within the name. Start number is not mandatory, so I'll close it. So it gives me the position of A within the name, the position of first A. Now I'm wondering that if I need to get the position of second A, how do I get it? So you can say the name of Suman, it's fourth place where A is. In Siddhant, it's sixth place. In Vijeta, it's sixth place. But I need to know now the second one. Then how I do it? So there is a number of characters. If I'll put 2 over here, then also it doesn't change anything. It's only 4. If I'm putting 3 over here, then also 4. If I'm putting 4 over here, then also 4. But if I'm going to type over a 5, then 15. Right? So that's giving me the second occurrence. That gives me the second position of find. So what I did is actually, I just given 5 over here. So if I'll do plus 1 over this, within find I'm going to plus 1, I'll get automatically the number. So can I use this find as a start number like this? So find A within A10. Then as a start number, I have given first find the A within A10, do plus 1. That's how we can find out the second position or second occurrence where it is of A. In all, that's the second. Okay, that's quite strange. Again 13 we are getting both because Siddhant Kumar Singh. So if I'll say Siddhant Singh Sharma, then it's came 18 now. If I've changed this. So it means our function is right. It's just a coincidence that we are getting at 13th place only and 6th place only. So that's how we have to work on find function. So find text, comma within text and start number. So that's what we have to give into the find function. Now it comes to substitute. As the name says, substitute. In this we can substitute any character from a character, any word from a word, this kind of. So I'll just press type is equal to substitute. Text is the start, comma, old text what I want to replace, I want to replace A. New text with blank. Let's close the bracket. So you can see all the A has been removed from here. All the A has been removed. But if I have to remove any certain occurrence, then we have one option of instance number. We can define second instance only remove. Do not remove all. So it's only going to remove wherever it finds the second one. So here in Bhargava, and here in Kumar, and here in Siddharth, the first. So we can specifically give an instance number that which I want to remove. So that what the function could do is equal to substitute text, comma old text, comma new text, and then instance number. So these are 5 more functions which we have to work on this text. Now let's combine them and take out first name, mid name and last name, because that's what the main point which we have to go through. So here I need to go for the first name, last name and mid name, and again full name, a combination of all of them. So if I see first name, where is the first name? Before the first space, whatever has been written, that belongs to the first name. So how do I get it? I'll type is equal to left. That's my text. How many number of characters? So let's find out the first space. And let's do -1 from in it, because if I'm not going to do -1, it's going to give the number of character till space. One extra character will be there in the first name. That is a space. So Suman space, Siddhant space, Vijita space. If I'm not going to add -1. So that's why I'm using -1 over here, so that any extra space that extra space which is coming should be removed. So that's my function is where I used is equal to left of A18, that's my name, comma, find space within A18 and do -1 in that, so that this output will gives us the number of character for the first name. Now let's do for last name. So here if I see the last name, it is after the second space. So after the second space means I have to get it via right function. So is equal to right, that's my text. But how do I get it? So let's think. If from the length of total name, I subtract the second space character, then whatever left is, whatever number of characters will be left, that is only of last name. So the length of the name minus the space character. So I'll do length of this name minus find space. Since here at the second place we are having after second space, so I'll use one more find and do +1 into this, and finally this is going to give me my last name. So length of my name minus find the second space. In the same way we have find the second occurrence of A. So I got Bhargava, here I got Sarma, but here we have Siddharth because it is only 2 words name and we are not having any 3. So you know it quite well. What we have to do while removing the error, we just have to use if error, and in place of second space, here I am going to minus the first space, this much of part, close the bracket, and that's all. So what I did, if it's an error, it means that name is having only 2 words. So I have just selected if error, and at the error part I have given that in 18 from length subtract the first space, not the second space, and I got the last name. Now let's go for mid name. So mid name is too simple, is equal to mid, we have text, comma, start number. From where we have to start my mid name? My mid name starts after the first space. So whatever characters are after the first space, that is of mid name. So I'll use find space within this +1, that's my start number, comma, number of characters. So between second space and first space, whatever characters are, they are the number of characters. So I subtract second space, first space minus second space. So find space within this, again do a find because we have to get the second space within this +1 minus find space within this. And so that will not get any extra space, I'll use trim function, and finally that's my function. So what I did is, this is my text, this is my start number, find the space +1 because after first space our mid name starts, and number of characters from second space I subtracted the first space. So I got Singh, I got Kumar, but here it's giving value error. So for that, what I do, I just use if error again. And if there is no error, if there's error, sorry, then give blank because nothing has to be displayed. And finally, we are with the mid name. I can use one more function for the mid name, but that function depends on first name and last name. That's substitute. But if first name is and last name is not there, this function will not work. Text is this one. I need to remove from this the first name with blank. So it gives me the mid name and last name. Now I'll use this one as a text, comma. Old text is last name and I want to replace it again with blank. Now let's use trim. And we got the mid name again. But this is dependent on first name, last name. If you are not having any of it, you can say we'll get this line. Now for full name, we have to concatenate. So is equal to concatenate, that's my function. First name, comma, text2 is blank, space that is, text3 is mid name, text4 is again space, and text5 is the last name. Close the bracket. But where mid name is not there, we'll get the extra space. So for that, I'll use trim over here to remove any extra space, because if the mid name is not there, then it will give it like this. One more function which I always prefer to use for getting concatenation is equal to ampersand sign. I prefer to use this one because it's look easy to me. And just add an ampersand sign between the values and you will get it. Since we have to give trim so that if any error will be there, then it will be quickly removed. Sorry, not error, space extra. And finally we got. So we have everything ready with us with mid name, first name and last name, and we use them to get. But the problem is if the name is only of one letter, that is one word, then you can see here we got the value error. So how to remove it? So first last name, I have to add one more if error, comma, blank. Just add this and we got blank. And how to remove here? Use if error, comma, the same value which is over here. And we got it. But if nothing has been written, then in that case, last name and mid name is okay, but in first name we are getting 0. So just a trick, because we cannot remove 0, then we have to make a very lengthy function is equal to if this gives 0 then give blank kind of. We don't need to, just a trick. Go on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equals to, if it is 0, then go to custom format and make the color of this font as white, because background is white, font is also white. Okay and okay, finally removed. So this is how we can do it. Rest, when we are having the data, in that case we don't have to think of, we'll get the data. So here I have used if error and use the same thing, and then use a conditional formatting which is equal to 0 and making it white. Here one more if error, two if errors, so that second one will make it black. So this is all about these text function. They are very essential because many times we used to get the data which is garbage in nature and we have to make it usable. So for this time we are ending up here. We'll meet with some new videos. Bye bye.